Hola chicos, magsiset up tayo ng ating first ever Christmas tree. And tomorrow, start na ng December, feel naman natin yung Pasko dito. Yung nice, meron siyang lalagyanan, yung platform. Tapos meron ding mga light. So good luck naman, diba? Okay, sige, try natin. Tada! This is our first ever Christmas tree week update. Today yung Christmas party ng mga Filipinos dito sa Madrid.
Join them. We created a challenge. The bouquet table is now open!
Ano niya daw? Hola!
Ocho! Mali! Ocho! Okay, buhay na buhay! Dos! Go! Sisi! Go! Go! Be a horseback! Go!
Hola chicos, today is November 30, Sunday, and magsiset up tayo ng ating first ever Christmas tree. So ito yung first time namin guys na magki-Christmas tree simula nung umalis kami ng Philippines. Kung naalala nyo guys, December last year kami dumating dito sa Spain, but doon lang kami sa Airbnb nagstay sa Barcelona. So ngayon na dito na kami nakatira sa Madrid, we've decided na bumili na ng Christmas tree. Finally. So today, samahan niyo ako mag-set up ng aming Christmas tree. So ito yung Christmas tree natin guys. So, kakabili lang natin sa kanya kanina. So sa Zara Home namin siya nabili dito sa Plaza de España. Actually matagal na namin siyang nakikita pero super pinag-iisipan namin kung bibili namin siya. But since today yung last day ng November and tomorrow start na ng December, why not bilhin na natin tong Christmas tree? Para naman may Christmas feels dito sa bahay natin. Bumili rin pala kami ng poinsettia sa Dia last time. Ito. Ayan, so totoo siya. So kahit pa paano, medyo feel naman natin yung Pasko dito. Yun nga lang parang, yan, isa lang siya sa mga plants natin. Hindi ko alam kung lalagyan ba natin ito ng ilaw or something, but yeah. Okay, I think it's time to unbox yung ating Christmas tree. Tignan na din natin kung saan siya maganda ilagay. So guys, quick kwento lang. Ayaw natin masyado nung traditional na Christmas tree kaya ito yung napili natin. Super simple lang niya pero for me aesthetic siya. So yeah, ito yung napili natin Christmas tree and sana tumagal siya ng maraming taon. Yung nice, meron siyang lalagyanan oh. Kikita niya ba? So, nakalagay Arbol de Navidad con luz. So, ibig sabihin, ano siya? Christmas tree with lights. So, binili na natin yung Christmas tree na may ilaw para hindi na tayo bibili ng separate pa ilaw. Gets? Okay, buksan na natin to. So, ito yung laman niya. Meron siya ng parang stand. Yung platform. Kalagay Zara Home. So, dito natin siguro siya itatayo. Yan. Tapos, itong mismong Christmas tree. O, di ba walang kahirap-hirap? Ganyan siya. So, itatayo lang natin siya dito, guys. Naalala ko pa, nung bata pa ako, nagtatayo kami ng Christmas tree sa bahay namin doon sa Marikina. Pero yun yung traditional na Christmas tree. Yung as in, per leaves yung pag dikit-dikit doon sa mismong tree. Naalala ko tuloy yung mga Christmas tree na natayo ko na before. But yeah, ngayon, eto, walang kahirap-hirap. Parang in 1 minute, magagawa na natin yung Christmas tree. So, ito yung mismong tree. Tapos, meron ding mga lights. Nandiyan na yung lights niya. Tapos, ito na yung plug niya. So, sige, i-try natin siya itayo. Dito siya, oh. Huh? Anyway guys, nung binili natin siya, hindi natin siya na-test doon sa store. Pero, nasa atin naman yung receipt. So, kung meron mang problem, pwede natin siya ibalik anytime. Nilagay ko na siya dito sa stand niya. Ini-screw ko lang siya para humigpit. And then ngayon, ibababa na natin yung mga branches niya. Alam niyo guys, super fragile niya. At saka ang bendable niya. So medyo careful tayo. Bend lang tayo ng bend. So para siyang winter Christmas tree. Alam niyo nga guys, yung original plan is maglalagay ako ng Christmas lights dito sa windows namin. Kaso kasi, ang mangyayari niyan, kami lang yung may Christmas lights. So good luck naman, 'di ba? Alam na alam ng mga tao yung bahay namin. Last time nga, may mga friends kami na dumaan dyan, tapos nagsisisigaw lang sila dun sa baba. Kasi nakita nila yung house namin na merong mga nakasabit na plants. So alam na alam nila na sa amin siya, 'di ba? Malapit na. So as much as possible, tinatry natin na i-spread out yung branches. Ayan. Ayan. Alright. Ito na siya guys. Tadan! So ngayon, this is the moment of truth. Kasi sisindihan na natin siya. Okay. So plano ko, ilalagay ko siya dito kapalit nung lamp namin dito sa sala. Tapos ililipat ko na lang muna siya somewhere. Okay, sige, try natin. Mag-move lang ako ng stuff. Oh my God, madumi. So, ililipat muna natin tong lamp. Bye, lamp. Lagayin natin tong mini platform. Diyan, para mataas. Medyo elevated yung ating Christmas tree. Tapos, ito na siya. Kukunin na natin siya. Oh my God. Saksak na natin. Okay guys, ready na ba kayo? Buksan yung ating Christmas tree. Okay, sabay-sabay tayo guys. In 3, 2, ay patayin natin yung mga ilaw para may drama. Oh my God, nakikita niyo pa ba ako? Okay, sabay-sabay tayo guys. In 3, 2, 1. Tadan! Wow! Ang saya! Oh my God, ang ganda. Bagay siya dito. Wow, ang ganda. Merry Christmas, guys. Oh my God, our first ever Christmas tree and our first ever Christmas in Madrid. Ang saya. Wait, buksan natin yung ilaw. Ayan. Kita nyo ba guys? Yan yung ating Christmas tree. Oh my God, I'm so happy. Ayan siya guys. Merry Christmas. Di pantay. Ayan na siya guys. So plano ko guys, lagyan siya ng maayos na platform. Tapos lagyan natin ng mga barks dito sa baba. Dito. Diyan. Para punong-puno yung drama niya. Pero yan siya guys. Lalagyan ko pa ba ng star? O pwede na yan? Ang ganda. Super happy ako sa kanya guys. Ayan. So ito siya guys. Ayan. Ang cute ng ating Christmas tree. Lagyan ko kaya ng mga plants sa baba. Okay lang kaya. Ganyan. Tsaka ko na-designan. But yeah. This is our first ever Christmas tree. By the way, yun lang guys. Salamat sa pagsama sa akin na iset up tong first Christmas tree namin dito sa Madrid. Update ko kayo ulit sa mga ganaps natin dito. Okay? So, yeah. See you on the next one. Hasta luego. Ciao. Ito siya guys kapag walang ilaw. Ayan siya. Tadang. Ganda niya guys. Feliz Navidad. Hola, just a quick update. Ito na yung ating Christmas tree. So, binilan natin siya ng mga Christmas balls sa Primark. Bumili lang kami ng mga maliliit na Christmas balls. I think yun yung bagay dito. So, yan siya. So, for this year's theme gold siya. Ayan. Mas gumanda siya, no? Tapos, inayos din natin yung mga branches niya. Yan, I'm so happy with our Christmas tree. Feliz Navidad! Hola chicos, today samahan niyo ako dito sa El Torres, no? So today yung Christmas party ng mga Filipinos dito sa Madrid. So nandito lahat yung mga friends namin. So today is December 5, Friday. So yeah, samahan niyo kami.
My name is Soy Mela. Vivo en Madrid. Vivo en Madrid 2 años. No, but looking back, I feel like it's so overwhelming in a positive way. And it's so heartwarming because not only did we create a community, we created a family. Because it's not easy to leave our country for a better life, for a better future. Because all of us know that we have our own careers there. And we left something behind. But most of us still were anchored with our Filipino life, with our Filipino values, and of course, the people that we have left behind. But then again, through the connections that we've made, life here in Madrid became easier. It's as if we did not move. And then now, from six people of sizzling Pinoys, we're now more than 40. And tonight is a celebration of something that is special to us in the Philippines. I know everyone's hungry before we play the games and enjoy the rest of the night. The buffet table is now open! Merry Christmas!
Go Army!
Maybe you have to be shy. They're taking pictures.
Hola!
I'll do that next week.
Guys, for our first game, everybody can join.
How about the other games?
You can still join.
Everybody can join. It's just a counting game.
Who wants to join?
Everybody!
The mechanics is just count sequentially, 1, 2, 3, 1 each. Each get to shout a number. Some of you have played this already.
Ano daw po yung sequentially?
What about
The point is, you have to shout the number, but there's no one else who can shout the number with you. You have to be alone shouting.
Kaya natin to!
If you shout with someone else shouting with you, both of you are out. You're also out if you're the last one to shout the number. So the goal is shout your number as early as you can, but there's no one who should be shouting with you.
Practice!
When I say go, someone shouts uno randomly and then dos and then kapag may pero there's a rule so that we know clearly who's shouting, do a squat. Uno.
And say,
Fitness! Fitness!
Or sige, ano ba maganda ibang movement? Yan na.
raise the hand. Raise the hand.
Uno, ganyan. Quiet, okay. Ready, set, go. No!
Uno! Out na to.
Ay, si Mami!
Actually, yun yung problema natin eh. Yung sequential yung problema eh. Sabi ko sa'yo eh.
Yeah! Everything starts at 1! Uno!
One more practice, guys. Okay. Okay, ready, silence, get set, go.
Practice.
From Shay down to Antonio, these are the players. Okay, ready, get set, go. Out. Out. P and
V, sorry. Maria, sorry. Out na out ka na, girl!
ulitin daw, B balik. Go.
Uno! Dos! Tres!
Okay, Gino.
May consolation! Mayaman! Consolation!
Game. Game.
From Uno again, From Uno again. On my cue, 1, uno, dos, tres, go.
Tres! Seis!
Siete!
Ocho! Nueve!
Ready, set, go. Uno.
Cuatro!
Seis!
Ocho!
Mali!
Siyete pala. Sorry, Jack.
Ready. Reverse na eh, 10 to 1. So pag nag...
Jess, debe.
Yes, namin. Okay, practice muna. No, practice. Ready. 10 people, ha? Jess, down to uno. Get set, go.
Yes!
Ocho!
Mananalo pa yung Espanyol. Uy, mga Pinoy!
Siete.
7 down to uno, okay? Ready, get set, go.
Ocho!
Mag-asawa pa? Sorry!
Hindi kayo nag-usap.
Okay, buhay na buhay!
5 down to uno. Okay?
In fairness kay Maria.
If 2 of you goes out, the remaining 3 will be winners or
2.
The remaining
Just
2.
2.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
Cuatro!
Guys, everyone getting competitive?
Yago, show it to the camera.
Yeah.
Tatlo na yan. Okay, tatlo kayo hawak. Michelle. O game. Ready. Again. Ready. Mabilis ba kayo magsindi? Baka ma-technical tayo
Ba't tayo mo?
writer skills mo. Okay.
Parang masyado.
Huwag yung hipan ha.
Hindi nga kami humingi na.
Hindi na ako
Sorry po, pati po yung organizers nagkakaaway.
Ginny Tay, Besh. Ready.
Let's go, V.
Get set. Go! Sino mauna? Sino sumang pangalawa? Red, eliminated. Ready? Get set. Go!
Swerte to! Swerte!
Artista na ang apelido ay Morales. 1, 2, 3! Okay, this is the real question. Favorite Filipino Noche Buena food? Paboritong hinahanda tuwing Noche Buena. Walang magko-coach. Kapag may nagsabi ng word, bawal nyo lang sabihin yun. It could be anything. Kailangan lang align kayong dalawa. Favorite Filipino Noche Buena food? 1, 2, 3!
Ano daw?
Lechon and famous Filipino Christmas song. Christmas carol, whatever. Okay? Ready? Get set. Go! Next.
One more.
Name or give me the name of one of your kids. 1, 2, 3, go!
Jersey! Mahaba yung notes na yan
Akala mo naman, alam mo yung tatanong. Makapagulo. Famous halo-halo recipe. Sikat na sangkap ng halo-halo. Guys, halo-halo. O, ingredient, sangkap ng halo-halo. O, tanggalin na natin yung yelo para ano, bawal ang yelo. Sikat na sangkap ng halo-halo. In 3, 2, 1, go! Seryo, Sheila, your go-to Spanish food meal cuisine. Okay? 5 seconds to think about it. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Callos!
The food or whatever that you ate on your first date. Shout it out, okay? Loud, ah. 1, 2, 3, go! What is the date of your first date?
Napaka-dating game!
Okay. Ready? In 3,
Wait lang, bawal coaching!
3, 2,
Wait lang daw.
Next question.
favorite place or activity that you've been to together? Okay.
Place.
Alright. 3, 2, 1, go!
Wow!
We know that Sam...
Madali lang
Madali yan.
Magaling na to. We know the name of one of Sam's pet. In 3, 2, 1, go! Famous Filipina Miss Universe title holder. Agad. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Pia Worsback!
Yes!
So the next one is not an answer. It's a pose. Your
What?
favorite dance pose.
Uy, wala kami yan.
Wala kami yan. Mag-isip ka. Mag-isip ka.
Pinahirapan. Oh, ayan, Jeremy.
Alam mo to.
Friendship yan.
Alam mo to. Alam mo to.
Na-test yung friendship.
Oh, in 3, 2, 1, go! Count of 3, make a heart sign. Heart sign. Ang dali guys, heart sign lang ha. In 3, 2, 1, go!
Complicated.
Wala. Famous Filipino band. In 3, 2, 1, go! That's it. Thank you for it.
Okay, once again, can we give it up for Glenn? Guru? For Michelle? With the special participation of Yago. So this gift is for someone who asked for a toy for their pet. Orange and blue.
How long?
Yay! Noong una hindi ko alam na Adrian pangalan.
Binigay ko yung birthday mo sa
Yay!
And then you guys get.
Yung gift ko is for sleeping.
Jocelyn.
Joyce.
Ako yun.
Wow!
Jocelyn ka ba?
Kami Jocelyn.
Sana kami. Email.
Yung gift ko, hard to understand. Kasi in Japanese siya.
Wow! Wow!
Marami yan, marami.
So, ganun pa din pala. Isa-isa pa din.
But here's crystal for you.
Ah!
Ako yung nabunot niya.
Kagabi.
At nakasalubong ko namin siya kagabi habang
Yes.
pinili namin.
Tapos kami sabi namin, ay, siya siguro yung nakamulat sa amin.
Pare-pares kami ng request.
Kaya yung mga nakasalubong namin na may dalang Uniqlo. Kilala na namin. Wow.
Yay!
Meron taong to mahilig sa mga pets.
Wow.
So I donated to a Beagle organization with this amount.
Wow! Cute!
Ube cake.
Wow!
Ice cream.
And kapangalan ko, eksakto.
Wow!
Oh my God! And ube ulan.
Wow!
My kids didn't have a wish list, but I have been asking around, and they told me like she used to get gold. So
Wow!
they say something to keep you warm during these cold days. It's for Reggie. So
Wow!
I'm making that out.
Wow! Ang bunutan na.
This can be for feet, but I added something for the head. And it's
Okay.
Pajama set for the cold.
Yeah!
Kulay.
The person requested for something second-hand. It's a second-hand vinyl record. Pero
Wow.
hindi ko sa bibilhin. So bago na lang.
Wow! Wow!
Sex organizer.
ako ng second hand.
So the person I got, I found out that they're a huge animal lover, and so they wanted also me to donate to an animal shelter. There's no animals here, but actually, I mean origami animal.
Cute. That's our dogs. Wow.
Just ayaw makita ko
So I got salve.
Wow, Maria.
Girl, ang dami mo ng identities today.
Dahil mong name, ah.
For me, I got this person for beautification. And I added a little bit of something for the winter. Makeup.
Ay, wow.
My monita already knows who she is.
Wow. Wow.
A cat scratcher on Amazon. It's not gonna arrive on time, so I got you.
Wow.
Tapos na?
Yes.
We need to give a special person another gift because it's his birthday on the 9th.
Wow.
That's why I would like to call on Serio. Here. As a sign to welcoming you to our family because you're part of us. We want to sing English, Spanish, and sex bomb
Version.
Sex bomb, yeah. We'll do the sex bomb. 5, 6, 7, 8. Happy birthday to you. US English. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Okay. So happy birthday to you. Spanish.
Cumpleaños feliz. Cumpleaños feliz. Todos deseamos todos. Cumpleaños feliz.
Sex bomb Filipino. Birthday na ni Serio.
Birthday na ni Sergio.
Birthday na ni Serio. Birthday na ni Serio. Birthday ni Serio. Ngayon. Get out. Happy birthday, Sex Bomb Serio. Happy birthday, Sex Bomb.